Right now, sentiment around innovation is spiking at plus 0.70, with momentum at plus 0.62. This is noteworthy because it's significantly above our historical baseline. You're seeing a surge in positive sentiment like we haven't experienced recently, suggesting a collective optimism among innovators and creators. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, which can help you analyze emerging trends. Imagine building a product recommendation engine that adapts based on this sentiment data. You can leverage the uptick in innovation enthusiasm to push products that resonate with this positive sentiment, improving user engagement and conversion rates. Dive deeper into the data and see how it can enhance your projects. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.